Okay, myself Umang Modi. I am here from SAL Institute of Technology, Ahmedabad. Uh, Today I was here at SMB Connect and I found it very useful uh, in learning so many things, having great speeches from so many experts out here. Recently, we have started a research and incubation center at SAL Institute of Technology. Uh, New startups as well as our incubation center is facing so many problems relating government policies regarding the uh, f- making new startups grow. So some things I have come over here. Some of the things that I was not aware, I got it from SMB Connect, and that's all I hope. Thank you. I told that there are government policies that hinder, and there was a question from my colleague Swapnil that there are government policies that are little bit of rigid to handle. So from SMB Connect, we got the knowledge regarding that.
I'm Bhuvanesh Thakur from Megastar Computer Services, Ahmedabad. I'm an entrepreneur. We have a system integration unit and we have started manufacturing of IT products. The biggest challenge we are facing is finance and HR. I learned a lot of things from this seminar at SMB Connect, especially on HR front, how to handle people, how to retain them was the very big takeaway from this meet. And I wish I can attend many more such seminars because they help us a lot. Thank you.
Yeah, hi. My name is Mitesh Patel. I'm director of Antex Machinery Private Limited. We are into plastic woven section machinery business and printing machinery. Yeah, regarding the challenges what we face inside the running the business is competition, most our innovation, managing and sustaining the staff. So that is the biggest challenge for us. If anyone can create or provide the platform and direct us to administrate or run the good business, like by managing the good business, that would be more suitable for us, or that can serve us. Yeah. Regarding the this event, yeah, but obviously, like, it's a good knowledge base, and there's kind of steps uh, which can help us in the to grow the business in this competition market. Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Parth Purohit and I am representing Vinayak Group of Construction. And basically, I came to know about this event from one of our construction company. And basically, it is all about the marketing and the innovation stuff. So overall, the experience is quite good and it is very informative. Especially the lectures that we invited, they are extraordinary and very knowledgeable. And directly or indirectly, they have given us a very good experience which they had in their life. And it was a great experience. Thank you.
My name is Darit Shah, and my company name is GB Builders, and we had a real estate. We are developers. So right now we are attending the SMB. It's a smart managed standard program. It's a it's connected to your global and online services. Whatever you have faces challenges on your, maybe if you are manufacturing, so you have problem in quality. If you are a retailer or right, and means I facing on my real estate is the outcome of the real estate problems. For example, how can I build up the flats or commercials on that, and how what customer needs to from me. So all the things I facing on is that right now is that they need more and more innovations things. So we just here to come here attending the and understand this all the things. So which is very good and wonderful, and we do love to connect with the SMB on future. So please, thank you so much.
I'm Dhiren Vyas, head of the marketing for Sthapati Group of Companies. This is the third occasion where I have been able to attend SME event. These events are very stimulating and it has always helped us in developing our small and medium entrepreneur organization. The topics which are selected, they are very relevant for our development. Today, the focus was more on innovation, and I strongly subscribe to the speaker that innovation will be definitely a very much in thing for the growth of industry. And if we want to contribute to the Make in India campaign, we need to gear up for innovation, which will help us to take our country to a global level. The efforts put in by SME, they are very remarkable, and I wish all the success to future events of SME. Thank you.